Goodbye, teacher and classmates. My name is Jorge Martin. I am 58 years old. I live in Capistrano, neighborhood of Bogotá City. I am policeman. I am studying sociology at the National Open and Campus University. This is my family. This is my family. She is my wife, Olga. If they are our children, Jorge and Grabando. Okay, continue. My friend James Smith coming to Colombia for his time. He is going to stay 3 days in Bogotá. I will advise him to go a mobile home SIM card from Colombia and save main cell phone number and emergency number such as national police and open where he will stay. I also told him not to go and were alone. I will accompany him as well, and I will take him to 6 places that I think are very beautiful of my city, and he should visit them before return to London. Two of Monserrate, located in the high mountain. The Bolívar Square visited the Nariño Palace and Casa de Florero, which is Museum of Independence. Colpatio Tower for living one of the 10 buildings of the city. Do a sightseeing around La Candelaria neighborhood historic center of the city. Let's go to an Independiente Santa Fe team soccer game and the camping stadium. And we will visit the Gold Museum where the legend of Dorado is. Okay, continue. I am going to invite him to eat 3 typical dishes of Bogotá. Ajiacos, delicious served with chicken and corn on the spot. Changua, milk brewed with bread and boiled egg. Sobre barriga, exquisite beef in cured sauce or bacon. Thank you very much. Good sir and good news. Thank you.